what's your definition of condo grade versus apartment grade when it comes to renovations? If you give some kind of pointers or different points of difference, I guess.
Yeah, I mean for a renter, I think that it's a lot of times it's hard for them to exactly tell the difference, which is probably a positive from a landlord perspective. I have clients that'll do a condo quality unit, and what I mean by that is they'll bring the building down to the studs, do all new drywall, new plumbing, new electric, pretty much full gut rehab A to Z. They'll typically use, usually put in new flooring in these vintage buildings versus like maybe more of a rental grade would just be sanding the 100-year-old floors, making them look nice. But from a condo perspective, I think you kind of need new floors, higher end kitchen cabinets versus maybe like your Home Depot or Menards cabinet on a lower grade level. Quartz countertops maybe versus granite, condo versus apartment, and maybe a little nicer appliance package too. I'm sure you guys have done renovations. I'm sure you guys probably use the builder grade stainless steel, which is pretty reasonable. Probably in that $2,000 range for the full set, versus maybe a nicer, set of appliances that could be 3,000 plus. Just breaking down some costs. So I think those are kind of the differences. It's just basically spending more money on better quality finishes and whatnot. So that's probably how I break it down.